So we're here staying in a one-bedroom deluxe villa at Club Wyndham Grand Desert in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you want to see what one looks like, maybe you're planning a trip here in the near future, well, stick around. I'm going to take you on a tour of ours right after this. Let's head inside and check it out. Okay, so when we come into the one-bedroom deluxe villa here at Club Wyndham Grand Desert in Las Vegas, Nevada, well, we're coming in mainly into the living room, dining room area, and well, we also have the kitchen over here. So we'll start out in the kitchen, and it does look like this is actually part of a larger lock-off unit. That is a lock-off door, so we'll be keeping that closed during our stay since we're only in the one bedroom. Yeah, not too bad of a kitchen here. You do have granite countertops, nice deep sink. There are some electrical outlets here as well on each end, so you can plug in your toaster there or anything else that you might have. But yeah, there's the coffee maker. You do have a knife block over here, and well, there's that toaster. And you do have black appliances, so a microwave with an oven and a range. And then, well, in here, you do have refrigerator and freezer. So yeah, good sized fridge here with an ice maker in the freezer there too. And well, I do notice there's also a dishwasher over here as well. So now let's see what we got up in the cupboards. Well, that one's empty. This one looks like it has some baking dishes, measuring cups, and storage bowls. It looks like maybe a salad bowl there too. In here, well, it's your dinnerware for, it looks like 6 people. And then in here, well, glassware. You have some wine glasses, you have some plastic glasses, and some glass glasses too. Let's see what we got up here. Well, looks like a blender. Yep, there's the blender, Cuisinart. And then over in here, oh, that's empty. And I'm sure above the refrigerator is probably empty too. Oh, nope, there is a colander in there and it doesn't look like anything on the other side. So now let's take a look in the drawers here. Well, looks like it's empty. That is also empty. Sure, we might have something in here. Nope, that is empty as well. Let's look under here first. Well, that's where we're gonna find pots and pans. And I also say you can kind of tell how good a place is based on the condition of their non-stick skillets. Those actually look like they're in pretty good shape, fairly new. They almost kind of look like that kind of stoneware non-stick surface. So that's pretty cool. So everything you need there. And then over here, it looks like, well, we do have some silverware. And this is likely a number of different kitchen and cooking utensils. So definitely everything that you might need is available in here. Let's see if they have a baking sheet down here. They certainly do. A baking sheet and a pizza pan there as well. Now over here on the other side, I doubt we have really anything in these cupboards. Trash can there, underneath the sink. Well, that side is mostly empty. And maybe we'll have some supplies over here. Yep, you have some dish soap. You have some dishwashing detergent and a scrub mommy down there. And I also noticed some dish towels and a cutting board there. And one other thing I noticed about this unit is it does have one of those spray nozzles. It's definitely handy to have because the last unit we were in, well, that was over at Club Wyndham Desert Blue in a Margaritaville deluxe one-bedroom unit. And it didn't have that, so definitely wasn't handy over there. And in fact, if you want to see that one-bedroom villa tour, well, I'll put a link to it right up there. Check that out, or you can even look in the description below. Okay, so coming into the dining room here, you do have a table with 4 chairs, a little bit of artwork on the wall back there. And then coming into the living room, well, you do have a not too bad of a size television, a little on the small side. I doubt there's really anything down under here, just some storage. Maybe if you have somebody sleeping on the sofa and they want to put some clothes in there, well, you do have that. You have a couple of chairs and a sofa bed over here too. Definitely will pull out, so that's definitely good, probably into a full size or a queen size. We have a couple chairs, and then we have a window in here that does look out. And we do have a bit of a view of the Las Vegas Strip. We'll actually take a look at that when we get into the bedroom. And there's a ceiling fan in here as well. Now before we go into the bedroom, we're gonna check out the bathroom, but just kind of going past these closets. You do have a storage closet in here, ironing board, sweeper, and some bedding there for that sofa bed. And then over here, well, this is where you'll find the in-room laundry. So great to have in-room laundry, stacked washer and dryer there. And now coming into the bathroom here, well, you do just have a single vanity here with a mirror. You have, of course, your toilet, some artwork on the wall, and what looks to actually be not too bad of a size walk-in shower. It's not really, really big, but it's not super small either. And I don't see any pump, shampoo, body wash, that kind of thing. Usually they have that Roots brand at a lot of the Club Wyndhams. Well, here it looks like they still have the Paul Mitchell kind of individual mini bottles. Not sure why they haven't switched over to the Roots here, but that's what they have available right now. And then coming into the next area of the bathroom, you have this separate, larger vanity. So nice to kind of have that split vanity. And they also had something similar to that over at Desert Blue as well. But yeah, nice big mirror. And then over here, looks like they do have maybe just a garden tub here. I don't see any jets. So just a bathtub here, maybe nice for soaking in after a long day, or maybe even a long night out on the Las Vegas Strip. So some additional artwork there. Then this kind of looks through into the bedroom. So let's go in here and we'll take a look. You have a nice big king size bed here, a couple of nightstands, and do they have any exposed power on them? Well, looks like the lamps at least have an electrical outlet. No USBs though. And then over here, well, you do have television on top of a chest of drawers. And up above here, well, they do also have a ceiling fan. Now before we take a look at our view here, I do want to take a look inside the closet. You do have a pretty good sized closet in here. It also has kind of a luggage rack, and it looks like a great big huge safe in here. I mean, I don't think I've seen an in-room safe that big in a long time. Maybe you want to store your big wads of cash that you win in the casinos in that safe. And then now let's take a look at our view. We're in Tower 2, pretty much right above kind of the main lobby where you check in. And our view out here, we actually have a pretty good view of the Las Vegas Strip and even the Sphere over there. So here looks like kind of the start finish line area for the Formula One race. And then over here, well, you have Alara, a Hilton Grand Vacations Club property. You have Planet Hollywood. You can see Bellagio kind of between Planet Hollywood and what is Paris. Then you have the Horseshoe. Then you have the big huge Ferris wheel that's kind of behind the link. You can see the Venetian. You can see Trump Tower down there. And you can also see the Wynn and the Encore kind of just beyond the Sphere. That's going to be a pretty cool view out our window to the Sphere here in Las Vegas. And then you can also see the Strat all the way down at the end there. But I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see another video from here at Club Wyndham Grand Desert, well, check out this one right here. It's going to be a resort tour, so you're going to want to check that out if you're considering a visit here to this beautiful property. Thanks for watching, and remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.